Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I am shooting a video of our 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan. And this, like most of our vehicles, is a mobility and wheelchair accessible van. It's a rear entry manual ramp and door. I'll get right to the conversion. Very easy to operate, very little to go wrong. You can see the manual door opens right up. This whole conversion can be operated with just 2 fingers. I've got some clamps on the back of here. I got to clamp them to open them up. Other side just the same. This is a really good design. Keeps these ramps from rattling around. Got a handle on the driver's side, handle on the passenger side. I'm going to utilize the one on the passenger side. Look here, folks, 1 finger. Take it to the ground using only 1 finger. I tell customers if you can lift up a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate these ramps with ease. 34 inches wide, 56 inches coming inside the van, 58 inches of room inside the van. This van is ADA compliant. This is a brand new conversion with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. It's got 8 tie down points, 2 in the rear, 4 in the middle, 2 all the way up front. So this van is designed to hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney, or a stretcher. Headliner's in great condition. You can see it has the rear air controls up there. Between that middle row of seats is about 21 inches. A lot of times if you have one chair in here, they'll set their legs between the seats, and the bottom will sit a little bit behind the seats. Sometimes people will remove one seat. We've got all kinds of different options we can do. Seats that fold out of the way, of course, those are an upgrade option. Talk to us about your needs. Let us build the right van for you. Interior is very clean. Looks darn near brand new. Carpets are clean, interior is clean. No cracks or holes in the dash. It's got the steering wheel controls to help you or your employees or your family keep their eyes on the road. That's very important. It's got the auxiliary cord. Looks like the Bluetooth connects to the phone. Dual climate control. The driver can be 1 temperature. The passenger can be a 2nd temperature. You can even have a 3rd temperature in the rear. Overall, super clean van. And when you get all your passengers secure, come back out. Reverse the process. Look here again. 1 finger. Very easy to do. Clamp it back down. The electric ramps and doors are nice, but they're a lot more expensive up front, and there's a lot more maintenance. I tell our customers, if you're going to get an electric ramp and door, you better budget $200 or $300 a month for when something goes wrong, because when it goes wrong, it can get up to thousands of dollars real quick. The exterior on this van is extremely clean. It's got the tinted windows to give you privacy year-round and to keep you nice and cool in the summertime. These tires are all matching Kumo, almost brand new condition. Lots of tread left on them. And as I circle the van, it's hard to find a nick or a scratch in the paint. It's extremely clean. All these tires, like I said, they are all, if not brand new condition, not far from it. So yes, the van's a few years old, but interior and exterior wise, the thing looks like it's in darn near brand new condition. All the doors are manual on this. This is an SE. Seats are in excellent shape. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors. We've got the VIN number right there as well. We always show the VIN number just so you know we're selling the van, we're advertising. We put plastic down. What we want to do is protect these seats in case one of our greasy mechanics jumps in here to move a van or test drive it for something. We do our best to keep everything clean. As I go to turn the vehicle on, and you can see the current miles, 1,954 original miles. We do have an auto check report showing 1 owner, no accidents. Miles are actual. So, turn it on, you can see all the dummy lights work. Of course, they all go out, so no dummy lights are on. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.6 V6 engine. Idles smoothly, sounds good. No signs of any damage along the fender rails here. We check these things for damage. We check for water damage. We check for frame damage. No signs of any visible damage on this thing. It idles great. No signs of any visible leaks as I crawl underneath the van. Very clean underneath. Again, no signs of any leaks, no signs of any any abnormal rust. I mean, I can hardly see anything under here rust-wise. This van's obviously been driven very little. As I go around to the side, check under here too. The reason I do this, it's not because I like crawling on the ground when it's 30-some degrees out. The reason I do this is so you can see this van's not all rusted out. I've seen these vans 2016s, 2017s. The guys up in New Jersey, Chicago, New York are selling these things, and they sell them dirt cheap. There's a reason for that. You get this van back to your home state and you try to get it inspected by your local tag office or however you do it in your state. Folks, it's not going to pass inspection. Tell me what happens when you buy a van that won't pass inspection. In case you don't know the answer, you can't drive it. You get a van that's all rusted out, not only is it dangerous, not only is it going to cause you problems down the road, but there's certain cases where you can't even drive it. You can't even get it tagged in your state. So I don't care who you're buying from. I hope you decide to buy from us. Know who you're buying from, know their reputation. Tell them to get out and take an hour of their time constructing a video like this so you can see exactly what you're getting. And if they won't take time to make a video for you, then what are they selling you and who are you buying from? Buy from a company with a good reputation like Affordable Mobility Solutions. We've been in business 8 years. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. And I hope you can see by all our videos we're doing our honest to God, best ability to show you exactly what you're getting. So let's take the van on the highway. Before I do that, power windows, we've checked all those. Power mirrors, we've checked the heat, the air, power locks. So it's not some van that you come check out or we send out to you and it's got a bunch of issues. We've checked everything on this van. Radio works, heat and air. So let's get the van on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the last portion of the video, I always like to get the vans on a test drive so you can hear the engine run, you can see the transmission shift or hear it shift. Get this to highway speed, so whether you come in and drive it home or whether we ship it out to you using our free shipping, you know this van is highway worthy. It's up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. I'm going to back it down to about 60 here. You can see the steering wheel's nice and straight. It's not vibrating back and forth. Now folks, I know there's a lot of companies and individuals out there selling mobility vans. You need to when you compare, you need to ask yourself, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? If you're buying from a dealer, and check their Better Business Bureau rating. If they don't use the Better Business Bureau, you need to ask them, or they don't have an A+, you need to ask them why not. If you buy from an individual, you're taking a big risk. If they do you wrong, if they don't provide a title for you, if they do the title wrong, you're up a creek without a paddle. We answer to the state controls us. If we do somebody wrong, the state comes after us. Dealers have a lot more hoops to jump through, so keep that in mind. We have over 500 reviews on eBay. All of them are positive, 0 are negative. That's 500 people that said we did them right, 0 people said we did them wrong. Anywhere you look, we have wonderful reviews, a wonderful reputation. Be sure to ask other dealers, do they have any hidden administrative fees, document fees, tag fees? They try to slip $1,000 or so in on the back end on you. That is not how I do business. I don't give you one price on the internet and try to add money to it. That's a shady way of doing business. I don't do business that way. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake coming down the ramp here. No grinding, no vibration, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise. So is this van brand new? Of course not. Does it look like it's almost in brand new shape and drive? Brand new? Yeah, it does. It's extremely clean. Runs and drives what seems to be perfect. And as I go back, when you're comparing this to the competition, whether you're buying from an individual or a dealer, do they make a detailed video so you know exactly what you're getting? I can take a car that's been all beat up and abused and I can make it look pretty in pictures, and so can anybody else. That's why I make these videos, though. I would never try to be deceitful, but I'm saying it's very easy to do. I make these videos so you know exactly what you're getting, so the first time you lay eyes on this van, you say to yourself, that's exactly the van that I was expecting. So when you compare our prices, that we offer free shipping, no hidden administrative fees or document fees, when you compare our reputation, and when you compare that we get out and we make a video, we spend an hour of our time, we get on our hands and knees when it's cold out, so you know what you're getting. No one can compete with Affordable Mobility Solutions. So if you ever want to check out this van or any of our vehicles, please always give me a call first. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you. Give me a call, 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. That's 316-262-VANS. Set an appointment with me. We'll be happy to answer all your questions. Make sure we get you taken care of. Check us out 24 hours a day, www.mobility316.com, mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions. Call us today.